Hello, my lovely students. I am Kritika, your English educator from Unit 4 of our book Purvi of Grade 6. We are doing the chapter A Change of Heart. Today, we'll be getting into a little of the grammar from the chapter. Okay, so let's directly get into the chapter. Make as many words as possible. Now, this is an interesting exercise. Using consecutive letters without changing the order of the letters. So you can't change the order of the letters. You have to use the letters one after the other and try to make new words. From the words in the boxes, one has been done for you. See, like this. So let's try to make new words. See, we can make man, we can make no, we can make, what else? We can make on, or we can make hen, what else, and so on. We can make new words. In the same way, we can make basket, we can make ball, we can make all, we can make what else, ask. Okay, so in this way we will make new words, but you can't change the order of the words. You have to keep the order and use the consecutive letter. See, phenomenon. See, he made he, man, no, hen, on. In the same way, from basketball, ball, basket, ask, all, bask. So these are the words. This is a fun activity. Okay, now we'll get into a little bit of grammar. Read the following sentences and circle the verbs. You all know what verbs are, right? You all know what verbs are? Verbs are the action words. Okay, whenever the action, we are talking about the action being performed, या ऐसा कोई काम जो हो रहा है या हो चुका है बट किसी काम की बात हो रही हो, that is verb. That is verb. Read the following sentences and circle the verb. Read the following sentences and circle the verb. So we will circle the verb now. Okay, everyone was discussing. सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Discussion. So discussing their game and how Prabhat had played so well. Now here beta, had is also the verb and played is also verb. Okay? In the same way here, was discussing. So here not only discussing is verb, but was discussing is the verb. What is verb? Was discussing is the verb. Here, was discussing is the verb. Here, had played is the verb. Okay, chaliye. Moving on. He had won the game. He had won the game, but he did not feel. So did not feel. This is a negative verb, right? Did not feel as happy as he usually did. As he usually used to be happy earlier, but now he is not. Okay, here is the answer. Moving on. What was more surprising was that Surya had not felt bad about losing. So, had not felt. अब आपको लग रहा होगा losing is also verb. कृतिका मैम, why are you not underlining? No बेटा, losing is not verb here. देखो, अगर आप देखोगे तो losing कोई lose कर नहीं रहा है. Losing की बात हो रही है. In a sentence, when you talk about a verb, ठीक है, nobody is performing that action or nobody performed that action, but आप उस action की बात कर रहे हो, तब वो verb की तरह act नहीं कर रहा है, तब वो noun की तरह act कर रहा है. So here losing is not verb, so don't get confused. Okay, now arrange the circled verb as the first action, an old action, or the second action as a new action. अब देखो, don't get confused in old and new. Basically, here old action is considered as past perfect. See, this is the old action. तो यहाँ old action की जो बात हो रही है बेटा, we are talking about past perfect. What are we talking about? We are talking about past perfect tense, यानी काम past में अच्छी तरीके से complete हो गया है. Other than that, if something is ongoing, जो चल रहा है, चाहे वो past में चल रहा है, चाहे present में चल रहा है, या future में होगा, वो सब आ जाते हैं आपके new action में. ठीक है, बट ओल्ड एक्शन में कौन सा होगा? समथिंग दैट इज बीन डन कंप्लीटली इन द past. Got it? So today what are we going to do is we are going to talk about past perfect tense. See, अब past perfect tense की बात करते हैं. Past perfect tense का एक छोटा सा I'm going to give you a formation. सबसे पहले comes the subject. ठीक है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट परफेक्ट. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. सो सब्जेक्ट, देन वी यूज हैड, then we use had, then we use the third form of the verb. Which form of the verb? Third form. For example, go, went, gone. So which form I'm going to take? Gone, the third form. And then comes your object. Then comes your object. This is a little, very quick learning way of learning technique of getting into what past perfect is. So we have subject, we have had, then verb ka third form and object. This is your past perfect tense. Fine. Okay, here it's been done for you. Let's take had played, had eaten, had finished, because I just want to show the verb to you. So right now I'm not giving you an entire sentence with subject and object. I am just giving you the part of the verb. Okay, so these are your past perfect tense, wherein if you'll see these are not your past perfect. See, was discussing, past continuous, was watching, past continuous, was talking, past continuous. यहाँ पे ing shows that work was ongoing in the past. ऐसे वो completely खत्म नहीं हुआ, it was ongoing in the past. So we have considered that as new action, where this is an old action. ठीक है, the verb in the column A that refers to the first action or the old action are past perfect tense. I'm sure you all are clear. Okay, next is fill in the blanks with the past perfect form of verb given within the bracket. क्या चीज याद रखनी है? Had याद रखना है और verb का third form याद रखना है. सिर्फ ये याद रख लो, आपका past tense will never be wrong. Which past tense? Past perfect. Okay, let's do it. Prabhat dash already dash his homework before going to the badminton match. देखो, अब finish मुझे पता है. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ फिनिश इज फिनिश्ड, एंड साथ में मुझे क्या लगाना है? हैड. प्रभात हैड ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड. प्रभात हैड ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड हिज होमवर्क बिफोर गोइंग टू द बैडमिंटन मैच. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज सूर्या डैश बास्केटबॉल फॉर इयर्स बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग द स्कूल्स बैडमिंटन टीम. सो आई हैव बीन गिवन द वर्ड प्ले. So I'm going to use had and third form of played, third form of play, which is played. Clear? Next is, see, okay. By the time Prabhat arrived, Surya had already won several matches. Clear? Okay. The new student Surya dash Prabhat before coming to the school never meet. So now we have never meet in this. Never will state constant and meet is our verb. So we are going to change meet only. We are going to keep never as it is. So we'll write had never met. Third form of meet is met. Okay, okay. Let's see the answer here. Okay, before the games period, Prabhat had practiced. Prabhat had practiced badminton extensively. Okay, got the answer? Here we are done with our tenses. We are done with our grammar portion. I'm going to see you in the next video for our remaining activities. Till then, bye.